If you love mysteries, astronomy is definitely the field for you. This is because in astronomy, you get to study the greatest mysteries in the universe. To me, the greatest mystery the universe has to offer are called quasars. Most people think that quasars are scientific mumbo jumbo, but I believe that they're actually quite easy to understand and very fascinating. To start off, what is a quasar? Well, we can start off by saying quasar is short for quasi stellar radio sources. Now, it is called quasi-stellar radio sources because the product of the first observation looked like the radio waves of the electromagnetic spectrum. This was back when it was first discovered in 1963. Now, more to learn on what a quasar is, we need to know what a black hole is. And I assume most of you know what a black hole is, but just in case you don't, a black hole is a celestial body which consumes anything that crosses its path. Even light cannot escape a black hole. This is a black hole. Now, as you know, this black hole consumes stars and planets and all sorts of celestial bodies. But before entering a black hole, stars enter the accretion disk. Accretion disk. In the accretion disk, matter accumulates and increases and moves at extremely high speeds, which I don't know the number of. It's really high. But at these high speeds, it creates a large amount of friction, which generates a lot of heat. And like all objects that give off heat, the accretion disks glow. And when they glow, they're called quasars. And this is your glowing accretion disk forming a quasar. And these black holes feed on stars usually when two galaxies collide. For example, this is the Milky Way. And this is the Andromeda galaxy. Now, when these two galaxies collide with one another, the stars and everything comes closer to the black hole, and as a result, the black hole starts feeding off these stars, and the whole process starts, and the quasars are formed. Now, quasars are known to be the brightest objects in the universe. Why is that? Well, let this picture explain to you. This is a picture of the first discovered quasar in history. It is known as 3C273. Now, this is a star, and this is a quasar. Now, I said quasars were the brightest objects in the universe. If that's so, why does the star shine at a brightness which is similar to that of a quasar? Well, the answer is this star is just a few 100,000 light years away, which makes it approximately 9.5 into 10 to the power 17 kilometers. That is far. I kid you not, it is far. But the quasar, on the other hand, is a few billion light years away. Billions! That would make it approximately 9.5 into 10 to the power 21 kilometers. That is really, 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 really far. And if that doesn't convince you, a quasar is 4 trillion times brighter than our sun. But you know what's most fascinating? These quasars are much behind us in time, and henceforth time is slower. So what we observe in our telescopes and observatories is actually happening a billion years ago. If that does not fascinate you, you, my friend, are incapable of human emotion. Quasars are the brightest objects in the universe. Quasars are still unknown to mankind, but who knows, maybe one day we might be able to harness energy from them, or even go and learn what is inside them, and the possibilities remain endless.